In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Tesla recordings from the cameras, Dashcam, and Sentry Mode on your Model 3 or Model Y. Tesla's system uses its built-in cameras to record footage for safety and security purposes, and accessing these recordings is straightforward. To get started, you'll need a properly formatted USB drive. Format the drive to FAT32 or exFAT and create a folder named TeslaCam at the root of the drive. For Sentry Mode event recordings, also create a subfolder inside TeslaCam called Sentry Clips. Insert the USB drive into one of the front USB ports in your Tesla. Once inserted, the Dashcam icon, a camera symbol, will appear on your car's touchscreen. Tap the Dashcam icon to save a clip manually, or let Sentry Mode automatically save clips when it detects unusual activity. To view the recordings, safely eject the USB drive from your Tesla and plug it into your computer. Open the TeslaCam folder and look for subfolders like Saved Clips, Recent Clips, or Sentry Clips, depending on the type of footage you want to access. Each clip includes multiple camera angles, front, sides, and rear, and interior if enabled. Use a media player that supports multi-stream video playback, such as VLC Media Player, to view all angles simultaneously. If this video helped you access Tesla recordings from the cameras, Dashcam, or Sentry Mode, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.